Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before I say anything else, I am going to give a big thanks to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you guys, I am loving all your support. Well, this video is a short tutorial of how to use the realistic car paint shader I created recently. You can find it on Gumroad, and if you love it and find it useful, then you can buy and also rate it. And if you are new here, then you can subscribe my channel, so you are always updated of my new upcoming videos. Well, back to Blender. This is the final scene that was used to pull off the render, which all of you saw in the beginning of the video. Well, when you will first open the blend file, you will have a scene like this. You can see you have 6 already built materials for direct usage on any model. If you press tab, you can see all this has been done for you, so you don't have to do this yourself. You just have to play with the color, the subsurface color, metallic, specular and roughness values if you want, and you will get awesome results. You can also play with the other values as well, it's totally on you. Now if you want to use this material in your own scene, simple trick is to copy any one or multiple items and paste them in your scene. Now to use it, select your model, go to Material Properties. Now you just have to select this material and you are done. Once again, if you love my work, then you can like it and also subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions, you can ask me directly in the comment box. I try to reply every comment of you guys. Well, this is all for today. See you in my next video. Take care till then. Happy blending.